Hi guys, we're playing something like a maniac game, which is Teardown. Did you guys see a cuss word or just a word? These are adults. They cuss in my videos. That's horrible. He's dead. Yeah, he's dead. It is horrible. Oh shoot! So, hi, person. What? What? Wait. How? Go. Okay, I'm driving that vehicle. That's it. Oh, I made the architect slip. Wham. Oh, shoot. Why? Ha! Zika? Oh, seriously? It's hard. Zuka? What on earth? What's your name? Kazi? Wolfa? Argy? Why you got weird names? Phoebe? Toy? Kulu? Koa? Dodo? You're 40! Why are you here? Oh my god, what did I, oh, that's my fault. Let's spawn tornadoes. Oh, no. Don't get, oh shoot, that rascal stuck. No. Oh, dang. Record to the guns. No. Oh, right to the grass. Wait, the grass is already blank. Sorry about the coughing. I can't do anything. Yes, ow. What is this doing here? So, red. And what's your name? Doodle. Sounds Spanish. Gotta kill you. Name is Zona. Criminal! Oh shoot. I'm the criminal? What on earth are you guys doing? Then me. Time to shoot. I got the police. No. Go to the new map.